Hi, my name is David Boller. I'm the creator of a brand new companion app called Ai-Ko.chat. We just launched and I want to quickly give you an overview of what to expect, as well as a little tutorial on like how you can create your own companion, respectively chat with one of our own. When you first type in Aiko.chat into the browser, you get directly to our website. Now the website has a few things on it that the app doesn't have, like for example a news section, as well as a feature section and a contact section. You can always launch the app directly from the top of the website. If you scroll down, you will see a few things, like for example, we offer chat with companions. You can create your own companions and we can extend your companion. What that all means, we're gonna see in a few seconds. We also have on our website a FAQ, so if you have any questions about like any details, and I'm not really sure what this is all about, will most likely be answered here. And also please don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter, as well our social media. So let's get up to the top and let's launch the app. So the app looks a little bit different UI wise, but it is essentially like the same in terms of like what it offers. If you go down, you'll see on the very first page we have a list of like 20 companions that you can select that we've already created for you with interesting backstories. There's 2 pages of it, so there's about 30 companions available at this point. And once you create your own companions, that will just be added to these pages. Then we have an overview of our upcoming companions and a small roadmap. So let me just quickly log out of this account here and show you how to get started. So in order to get started, you need to have an account. You cannot just chat with anybody without any account. So if you sign up for an account, it will essentially be a basic account and it will be free. So if let me just sign in here with Google. You can also choose Google, or you can create an email account. So this is essentially like a free account, and you will see on top here you have 100 credits. So I've already used 42 out of those 100 credits, and you can create 3 companions basically for free. So if you just want to chat with somebody, let's just take the first one, Kaliza. Then you'll come to a companion overview page where you see like the name of the companion, a short description, and a background. That's very important because that makes the chat a lot more authentic. If you want to chat with the companion, click on chat now, and that will load the companion chat page, and I can type in how are you today, and the companion will return an answer in character. Then we go back to the page, we'll go back to home, and let's say for example you want to create your own companion. You can do that here. I have created 0 out of 3 companions. You can essentially just create a companion by uploading a picture here. Then you name your companion, you add a short description, 100 characters maximum. You choose a category, any of those categories will do. And in the configuration, that's kind of like important, that's the text that you saw before, the background of the character. It's kind of, we say it's like 200 characters or more. That's not very much, 200 characters. I would assume you want to add some more details to that. So what you've seen before was about 200 words. So it's a lot more than 200 characters. The more backgrounds, the more intricate backgrounds you will add, the more interesting and fun your character will be. Then also you can add a sample example conversation, which essentially always be like human, hello, who are you, and then the companion will just answer. Then you click on create companion and you will see your new companion in the overview here. Very important, we have a really comprehensive support page. So if you have any problem, join our Discord or send us an email. And for those with a pro plan, and we're going to get to this in a second here, you also get gold support on WhatsApp. There is also like a FAQ section here, so if you have any questions about our support or anything like that, basically it's answered here. You can also read the term of use to tell you exactly what the legal situation is. In terms of pricing, we have 3 plans. The free plan, that's like the basic plan, and that will be free with 100 credits and 3 companions. Then we have a basic plan, which you can either pay monthly or annually, and you'll get 2,000 credits and unlimited companions. Or a pro plan, which will be billed annually or monthly, and you can create unlimited companions and unlimited credits per month. So that's like really, if you want to create a lot of companions, you're really getting into it and really want to talk with a lot of them. So that's definitely the way to go. Now here comes the big thing: agent companion behavior. You know, a lot of the stuff that we're doing here, a lot of the other apps have also done. I mean, I think our companions are a little bit more detailed and a little more emotional maybe than some of the other apps. But this is one of the things that really nobody really has done before, and that is to add agentic behavior to the companion. Now we're still working on this. This will not be available at launch. Will probably be available within a month, 2 months maximum, because that's quite a bit of effort. It's brand new technology. A lot of things haven't really been worked out to the last detail, but it's actually really exciting. So what does that actually mean? And basically, if you just want to chat with your companion, I mean, that's one thing. But in real life, it usually doesn't work out that way. You know, you don't have like a partner or a friend or so, and you just chat. No, you do things for each other. You help each other out with like daily, tasks or whatever. You buy stuff for each other. You know, and you do stuff. You know, you interact. And this agentic mode will essentially enable you to interact with your companion beyond the chat. You know, so your companion basically will be being able to help you with like your daily tasks, be that email, be that searching for stuff, be that answering stuff. Maybe you don't want to answer certain social media stuff, and you have your companion take over. Whatever you want to do. You can also, for example, like if you want to buy something, and you don't want to scour the internet and find out every detail, you can send out your companion out and buy stuff for you. Or you can buy stuff for your companion. Or you can also use that agentic mode basically to add your companion to an app store and rent out your companion that you have created and make money. So there's a lot of things that play together here. There's basically some kind of like an agentic mode, and there's also like an agentic commerce protocol. You will also be able, for example, to buy a subscription directly over ChatGPT without even really going to your site. Also like find out directly over ChatGPT basically what's the status, how you can make upgrades. So this is actually really, really exciting, and I think this will open up a brand new ways of interaction, interactional commerce, and I haven't really seen anybody doing that yet. So that will be really exciting. And again, sign up to our newsletter, to be informed when this goes live and be the first one to check it out. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the app.